Hi everyone, my name's George, welcome to Swagger and Swoon. Just thought I'd make a video today to show you one of our most popular colours. This is rose gold and you can see why it's so popular. It's a great sort of dusty pink, it goes with loads of different outfits, loads of different colours. And yeah, so we just wanted to take a minute today to show you all the different products that we can make. It is one that we make here in our UK workshop, so we can make anything in it. Custom items are always welcome as well. If there is something specific you're looking for that you can't see on our website, just let us know, give us a shout, and we'll see what we can do. This here is our regular tie, so it's 7.5 centimetres across here. It also comes in an extra long version for the taller people in your wedding party, and that one's a very popular sort of standard tie that lots of people go for. We have also got the skinnier version. Yeah, so this one is just 6 centimetres across the bottom here. Potentially, if you've got something with a skinnier lapel, or whether you've got someone with a bit of a slimmer build, that one it tends to be quite a good option for them. We have our boys' ties as well. So the boys' self tie here measures the same as the skinny, it's just that bit shorter. Tends to be good for the sort of 6 to 12-year-olds. And we have this one here is our boys' tie on elastic. So really handy. You've also got your elastic up there, goes around the neck. It's not going to come undone in the ceremony or anything like that. That tends to be for the under 5s. So we have got a tie for anyone who wants to order it. We also have a range of cravats. So this is our men's pre-tied cravat. We also have a matching boys one, which is the same, just tiny. These are really nice if you're wearing waistcoats. They tend to give a really nice full look. So if that's the sort of look you're going for, this one might be the option for you. We obviously as well have the self-tie cravats. So these are if you're looking to do it tie it yourself, or you have a particular look in mind or anything like that. This is obviously the traditional way of doing it. So we've got that one there if that's potentially something that you're looking for instead. We also have a range of bow ties. So we'll start off with our men's pre-tied one. This is really handy. It won't slip during the ceremony or anything like that. It comes on an adjustable neck strap, so it's really, really easy to get on and off. We obviously have the self-tie one of this as well. It's a really nice thing to do, to tie your own bow for your wedding. So if that's something you're interested in, then that might be the option. Obviously, not everyone likes that. The neck strap ones are really easy to put on and off, really handy. So potentially that's the option for you. We can then go on down to our boys' bows. So you can match all the way through the wedding party as well. We've got our ones on the neck strap and our slightly smaller ones on elastic. These tend to be for the 6 to 12, that sort of age range again, on a neck strap, so not going to go anywhere in the wedding. And then the little tiny ones for the boys are obviously on elastic. Makes it so easy to get them on and off, and it's great for sort of the under 5s. So if you have got all ages in the wedding, then everyone can match with those ones. We also have a range of bridesmaids accessories. So this one here is our sort of self-tie sash. Comes in 2 lengths. This is our small one, which measures in at 1.7 meters. It gives that length just to tie around the waist. Gives a nice bow. And if you've got sort of flower girls or bridesmaids that just need that pop of colour to match in with the rest of the party, then we have got those ones there. We have the scrunchies as well. So again, bridesmaids, flower girls, anyone that you need just that little hint of colour to sort of bring everything in together. You can either have the scrunchies, or we've got the hair bows here on the clip, just like that. So those are really nice again if you've just need that extra little bit to tie it all together. We've got those ones. And last but not least, if you have got your fur baby coming to the wedding, we can do a matching dog bow. So it's got a little charm on there and they just go onto the collar, so they're really, really easy, don't get in the way. Now all of these things are all made from the same batch of fabric. We'll always try and make sure that everything is perfectly colour matched. And the easiest way to find out if that's the right colour is to start with a swatch. So we cut these from exactly the same batch of fabric, so there's no chance of any sort of colour difference or anything like that. We always advise when you're starting off to have a swatch first, just to make sure you're happy with the colour, because obviously it can look a little different on the screen, depending on screen resolutions or lighting or anything like that. Whereas this one here, you can get it, you can check it against your bridesmaids' dresses or your colour scheme or anything like that, and you can work out whether that's the right colour for you. If you search on the website by this swatch code here, so for rose gold it's SW43066, that will bring up everything available in that colour for you. So you can make sure you've got exactly the right colour, and it'll all be made from exactly the same fabric to give you the perfect match.